Good morning, everybody. We're back out at the Edward River in Deniliquin. The storms have passed. Still a bit breezy, but we're going to give it a go today. I'm fishing today with worms, bread, and corn. Just hoping to catch anything. And yeah, so we'll see how it goes. Yeah, it's got something already. Carp. There we go. He is about 57 centimeters. Yes, nice fish. Not bad. Only been fishing for about 10 minutes. Okay. Good start to the morning. Quick start. It's windy, but it's not too bad. But 10 minutes here and land our first decent sized carp. That was good. I caught him off the worms. Okay, so as you can see, I've actually moved spots. The wind's blowing pretty good, and in the other spot I just wasn't able to keep a tight line. I wasn't able to tell if I was getting a bite, and so I decided to move. Oh yeah, so we're down at a spot we've actually fished quite often. I have bread on the left and worms on the right. And yeah, so we'll see how it goes here. Now getting a little action here on the worm. I know it's been tough to tell with this wind. Come on, take it. No. Put it back down and see if they come back. Okay, bites on the worm. Get a few nibbles here and there, but it's been pretty slow. I've only gotten one good bite on the bread. Oh, we hooked into something. I'm getting a few bites. He's not very big. Very big at all. Here. Yeah, just a little carp. And away he goes. Well, at least we were able to hook onto something else. Little carp, but that makes two for the day. Oh yeah, miserable day though. The wind is just howling. And every once in a while gusts have to be hitting 40 Ks. But probably got about another half hour to fish and then I need to head home, so we'll see what we can do in the next 30 minutes. Well, that's all the time I have for today. Fished for about another 45 minutes, didn't get a bite. The wind is really bad today. It was pretty miserable. It's pretty cold too. So got 2 fish in. I'm counting the second one. It's close enough for me. Yeah, so might try and get out again tomorrow or the next day, and then the weekend I'll be off. So until next time, keep fishing.